Hi, it's Energy Derive again with a new topic on how to make a water level indicator. This is a very simple circuit you can make with basic electronic components. Before we proceed, I want you to please like and hit the subscribe button on this channel. Thank you for doing that. Let's get into the main circuit. This is the circuit diagram for the water level indicator. The most important components you see here are the transistors. In our previous knowledge on transistors, we learned that we can make current to flow through the collector to the emitter of a transistor by applying about 700 millivolts through the base of the transistor. So in this circuit, the base of the transistors would be kept in the water at different depths. The positive wire would also be looped into the water at the highest depth. This is because water is a conductor of electricity, so when we start to fill the water, immediately the water touches the positive terminal, which is at a high test depth. The current begins to flow through the water. When the water rises and touches the wire connected to the base of first transistor, the current continuously flows through to the base of the transistor, which would turn on the transistor, then the indicator LED would also turn on. When the water continued to rise, it would again touch another wire connected to another transistor's base, which would cause the current to flow through the base of the transistor to turn on the transistor, which would cause the indicator LED to turn on. The process is the same for all the indicators. That's all about today's video. I remind you to please subscribe to our channel. You can check out in my previous videos for more educative videos. I'll leave the links to my previous videos in the description. Thank you.